Oh hey, welcome to another edition. Hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains with Socrates. Today we're taking a look at video camera car. I made a video car for video camera. Saw somebody else made some videos from the train set. I thought, hey, I'd get that camera, make myself one. About 25 euros off AliExpress. I'll put the link in the description. Simple little camera. Needed a little car for it. So I made a portrait car. Sits in it. The camera swivels back and forth so you can control the angle. I tend to put it on the inside of my curve because I just have a small track at the moment. But I'm building a bridge. Build bridges places. So, simple car, basic micro-train couplers on the bottom. This is the portrait version of it. I made two different landscape versions as well. Just a simple landscape. Sits in the back there. Holds the top above it. Again, angle to the top around it. You can use it as a push or a pull. Thought it was a little bit close as looking back on the locomotive. But I made a slightly different version with a little bit longer front end there. So you can put it like that if you want to look back at the locomotives. Because I like to put it in the back of the train looking forward over the cars. Looking forward at just the track in front of you, which is the sort of ways most people do it. So this is the portrait version of it. This one prints in one piece, and I used a bunch of supports to make it happen. I have a sort of a flat piece I use on most of my cars as a sort of a, it's like a brim, but it's an object, so it prints a bit better. And I also used the normal supports that the slicer added to it. So this was a bit difficult to get off, but I was trying to keep it as low as possible because it's a bit top heavy. The other two I made in two pieces, where the bottom piece does come back off with sort of my tongue and groove that I've been using on a lot of models. But the main thing with that one is because of all the supports, you definitely have to use a bit of a deburring tool to clean this off. The way it works is that you can see the screen. You're trying to at least be able to see the screen on that side and make sure it's on. You kind of have to turn it on, put it in, and put it on the track. That seems to work the best. And it's not exactly the most stable, but it does stay up. I haven't really had them fall over anymore with this particular version of the design. And like I said, there's two versions of the flat, the landscape. This is more of a, this is the original one. It doesn't really have a little extra edge, and then I added a sort of a front to it to keep it a little farther from the car, because when I first was doing it, looking back on the locomotive, you really couldn't see but so well. But anyway, this is the same as all my Microsoft type couplers. They all have the same things basically, and you want to put the Microsoft couplers on it so that they flop downwards when it's on. And sometimes they're hard to get in the hole, so I'll sort of wallow out the hole a little bit to get them to first go in there. If you need to, you could touch it with a drill. So that's how you put them together. So you can use your portrait, landscape, forward looking, backwards looking, over the train, in front of the train, behind the train, all sorts of versions. Get on Cults, get yourself a video camera, and make yourself some training videos. Love to see your videos if you make them. Check it out next time. Thanks for watching. Hand-laid tracks, made a video car, got a video car. Nice video, man. Yeah, hand-laid tracks makes a better video than a video song. Cause hand-laid tracks, it's not a video song, not a video song, it's just a video car. That's why hand-laid tracks made myself a video car.